Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the OET exam step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the OET exam structure, including its 4 subtests: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Understand how each section is scored. Next, honestly evaluate your current English language skills to pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses. Finally, develop a structured study schedule that allocates sufficient time to each subtest, ensuring comprehensive preparation. For listening, engage with diverse medical audio, like podcasts or lectures, to enhance comprehension. In reading, focus on understanding complex healthcare articles and extracting key information efficiently. To excel in writing, practice structuring referral letters or discharge summaries, paying close attention to clarity and conciseness. For speaking, participate in role plays, simulating patient interactions to improve your communication and empathy. Regularly take official OET practice tests to simulate exam conditions and gauge your progress. After each practice session, actively seek constructive feedback from a qualified OET tutor or a study partner. Use this feedback to identify specific areas where you need to improve, whether it's grammar, vocabulary, or specific task requirements. Remember to practice time management rigorously during these sessions. In the final days, consolidate your knowledge by reviewing essential medical terminology and common phrases. Conduct full-length mock exams under strict timed conditions to build stamina and manage any test day anxiety. Remember to check the description for links to other helpful resources and deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks. Finally, double-check all your required identification and documents the day before the exam to avoid any last-minute stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.